Bryce James R. Kalugay. With honors. Bryce will receive bronze medallion for his academic excellence. He will also receive another gold medal for his conduct award. He will also receive gold medallion for his leadership award. Bryce will also receive gold medals for his outstanding performance in the arts, visual and performing arts. Bryce will also receive gold medal for his outstanding performance in social sciences Araling Panlipunan. Bryce will also receive another gold medal as the Boy Scout of the Year. He will also receive another gold medal as the Student Journalist of the Year. Marion Y. Katakutan.